Did you know that approximately 30 million men in the United States experience erectile dysfunction? Rather than seeking appropriate medical assistance, many men resort to medications like Viagra to sustain an erection. Unfortunately, these medications often come with serious side effects that can exacerbate the problem. If you find this information useful, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and stay with us until the end of the video for a valuable tip on natural ways to combat erectile dysfunction. But why depend on medications when you can combat erectile dysfunction with natural remedies from your diet? By consuming the homemade natural Viagra we will share, you can overcome frustrating erectile dysfunction and prolong your performance in bed. In this video, we'll introduce 8 natural beverages to drink every morning to address erectile dysfunction. With their high nitrate content and powerful antioxidant properties, these natural elixirs can significantly enhance your performance and boost your confidence in bed. Join us as we demonstrate the straightforward preparation of these drinks and how they can effectively treat erectile dysfunction. Before we begin, let's examine some facts about erectile dysfunction, a condition affecting over 150 million men globally. Erectile dysfunction, or ED, is the inability to achieve or maintain an erection sufficient for sexual intercourse. It impacts men of all ages, not just older individuals. This raises an important question: how can one treat erectile dysfunction without experiencing side effects? Erectile dysfunction is a complex issue with various potential causes, categorized into physical, psychological, and lifestyle factors. Understanding these causes is crucial for finding effective, side effect-free treatments. Physical causes account for most ED cases and often involve underlying health conditions like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, obesity, and hormonal imbalances. These conditions can impair blood flow to the penis or damage nerves, making it difficult to achieve or maintain an erection. Psychological factors are just as responsible for erectile dysfunction, particularly in younger men. Anxiety, depression, stress, and relationship issues can interfere with sexual arousal and performance, resulting in ED. Lifestyle factors also play a significant role in erectile dysfunction. Smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, a sedentary lifestyle, and poor diet can damage blood vessels, affect hormone levels, and exacerbate other health issues that contribute to ED. For healthy men, sexual intercourse typically lasts between 3 to 13 minutes, with the average duration being around 5.4 minutes. However, some men struggle to last even this long during sex. This is often because they rely on drugs like Viagra, which work by enhancing blood flow to the penis to maintain an erection. Despite taking such sex enhancers, the symptoms of erectile dysfunction may not be entirely prevented. In fact, these drugs often come with various side effects like headaches, flushing, dizziness, indigestion, and nasal congestion. The less common but more severe side effects might include sudden vision loss, hearing loss, allergic reactions, and priapism, a prolonged and painful erection that can be quite embarrassing as it can occur spontaneously without arousal. That's why we will be sharing some lesser-known methods that can increase blood flow to the penis, improve testosterone levels, and help cure erectile dysfunction without any side effects. Let's get started. The first drink on our list is the versatile aloe vera juice. While primarily known for its skincare benefits, aloe vera juice can also enhance erectile function in several ways. Aloe vera juice is especially rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which promote cardiovascular health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Since poor cardiovascular health is a major cause of erectile dysfunction, maintaining healthy blood vessels and blood flow can help prevent or mitigate the risk of developing ED. To make a delicious aloe vera juice, combine aloe vera gel, pineapple juice, and honey in a blender and blend until smooth. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp or fibers, and serve chilled for a refreshing drink. Next on our list is your morning cup of joe. Besides stimulating your brain and keeping you energized, drinking 1 cup of coffee every morning can help combat erectile dysfunction. The key component responsible for this potential benefit is caffeine, which stimulates the central nervous system and enhances blood flow. Brewing your own homemade coffee is the best way to enjoy and benefit from its healing properties. Start by brewing your preferred coffee, then stir in a pinch of ground cardamom, a spoonful of cocoa powder, and a drop of vanilla extract. Sweeten to taste with honey and top with steamed milk for a latte-style beverage. However, you should avoid adding refined sugar or any sugary additives to your coffee, as they can be harmful in the long run. Excessive sugar intake can damage the blood vessels and nerves that reach your penis, leading to reduced blood flow and sensation, which can contribute to erectile dysfunction. Starting your day with a banana shake might do more than just excite your taste buds. Bananas could actually spice up your sex life by helping alleviate dysfunction, although this has nothing to do with their shape. Bananas are loaded with potassium, which helps balance electrolytes and counteract the effects of sodium in your body. Too much sodium is associated with high blood pressure, a common factor in erectile dysfunction. High blood pressure can damage blood vessels, impeding blood flow and increasing the risk of developing erectile dysfunction. As a natural source of potassium, bananas can help maintain a healthy balance of electrolytes, supporting balanced blood pressure levels, and in turn, reducing the risk of erectile dysfunction. To whip up a delicious banana shake with a unique effect, blend ripe bananas with creamy Greek yogurt, a dash of cinnamon, and a spoonful of pistachios. Combine all ingredients in a blender, blend until smooth, and serve chilled. If you're a fan of beetroot, you're in for a treat because this nutritious drink can help eliminate erectile dysfunction for good. The secret lies in its abundant nitrate content, a naturally occurring compound in beets. Once consumed, these nitrates convert into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide acts as a powerful vasodilator, meaning it relaxes and widens blood vessels, thereby enhancing blood flow to the penis. This increased blood flow enables the penis to maintain the pressure necessary for a sustained erection, making beet juice a potent natural remedy for dysfunction. Creating a flavorful beet juice involves blending fresh beetroot with apple slices to improve the taste. Strain the mixture into a glass and add a squeeze of lemon juice for a burst of citrus flavor. Did you know that indulging in a daily cup of pomegranate juice could work wonders for your erectile function? Pomegranate juice is rich in antioxidants and bioactive compounds like flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds have been linked to enhanced blood flow and decreased oxidative stress, both important for maintaining healthy erectile function. The antioxidants in pomegranate juice can enhance nitric oxide levels, a naturally produced molecule that promotes blood flow throughout the vascular system, including the penis. Nitric oxide plays an important role in erectile function by relaxing the vascular muscle that supplies the penis with blood during sexual arousal. To make the most of pomegranate juice's benefits, ensure it is pure and unsweetened. Drinking a glass daily can contribute to improved erectile health and overall cardiovascular wellness. Incorporating these natural remedies into your daily routine can help address erectile dysfunction without the adverse side effects associated with medications. Embrace these delicious and health-boosting beverages to enhance your performance and confidence in bed naturally. Homemade pomegranate juice is the best. Start by blending pomegranate seeds with complementary flavors like tart cherry juice and cinnamon. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any seeds or pulp and serve chilled for a delightful and refreshing beverage. Watermelon isn't just a tasty summer treat, it is also a natural remedy for erectile dysfunction. This is because watermelon is rich in L-citrulline, a non-essential amino acid that enhances the production of nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide is a potent vasodilator that relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow to the penis during sexual arousal. This enables men to achieve and maintain a steady erection. According to a study involving men experiencing mild erectile dysfunction, researchers discovered that the oral intake of L-citrulline supplements led to an enhancement in erection firmness. The participants also reported engaging in increased sexual activity during the treatment period. Making your own watermelon juice is super easy. Just start by blending watermelon with a bit of ginger and mint leaves to give it a minty, spicy flavor. Afterwards, strain the mixture into a pitcher and add a splash of sparkling water for a delightful fizz. Garlic, known for its numerous health benefits, can also help in curing erectile dysfunction. Garlic contains polysulfides, which stimulate the production of hydrogen sulfide, H2S, in the body. H2S is known to enhance heart health, relax blood vessels, and reduce blood pressure. Given that cardiovascular diseases and hypertension are significant risk factors for erectile dysfunction, garlic's role in promoting vascular health makes it a promising dietary addition for people experiencing ED. To prepare a delicious and nutritious garlic tea, start by peeling and chopping a 2-bulb piece of fresh garlic. Add the chopped garlic and 3 to 5 cloves to a pot of boiling water and reduce the heat to simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup and add slices of lemon or orange, a cinnamon stick, and a few sprigs of fresh mint leaves. Once done, your garlic tea is ready to enjoy. Incorporating these natural remedies into your daily routine can help address erectile dysfunction without the adverse side effects associated with medications. Embrace these delicious and health-boosting beverages to enhance your performance and confidence in bed naturally. However, there is a more effective way to get rid of this problem once and for all. Check the first pinned comment for more information.